Building wealth isn't about luck, it's about understanding the right strategies and taking action. If you want to grow your money in 2025, you need to follow a proven system that the wealthy use. Here's a step-by-step guide to start building real wealth this year. Step 1. Master the basics before you invest. You need a strong financial foundation. That means eliminating high-interest debt, credit cards, payday loans, building a 3-6 month emergency fund so you never have to rely on debt, improving your credit score so you qualify for better financial opportunities. Skipping this step can set you up for failure, even if you make more money later. Step 2. Increase your income. Wealth starts with earning more. If you only have one source of income, you're at risk. The wealthy create multiple income streams, such as freelancing or starting a side hustle, consulting, digital products, content creation, investing in high-income skills, coding, sales, marketing, finance, negotiating a raise or switching to a higher-paying job. Relying on just a paycheck is one of the biggest mistakes keeping people stuck. Step 3. Invest smartly. The biggest wealth-building secret? Investing early and consistently. Your money won't grow in a savings account, so put it into index funds and ETFs, low cost, diversified, and great for long-term growth. Real estate, rental properties, REITs, or house hacking for passive income, dividend stocks that pay you regularly. Alternative investments, crypto, startups, or businesses, higher risk, but higher reward. The key: invest consistently, even in market downturns. Step 4. Use tax and debt strategies. The rich pay fewer taxes legally and use debt strategically. Here's how. Max out tax-advantaged accounts, 401k, Roth IRA, SHA. Use business write-offs if you have a side hustle. Leverage low-interest debt for real estate and investments. Good debt builds wealth. If you don't learn tax and debt strategies, you'll always be paying more than you should. Step 5. Build passive income and long-term wealth. Once your investments grow, you need passive income so your money works for you. That includes rental income from real estate, dividends from stocks, automated online businesses, YouTube, digital products, affiliate marketing. The goal: financial independence, where your income covers your lifestyle without needing a 9-to-5 job. The bottom line: wealth isn't built overnight, but if you earn more, invest wisely, and use financial strategies, you'll be ahead of 99% of people. Start now, stay consistent, and by 2025, you'll already be on the path to financial freedom.